Hey everybody, this is Ryan, and what I have here before you is a premium carbon steel butcher's hatchet, knife, call it what you want. This thing is pretty sweet. I have never in my life held something like this before that is used for barbecuing, that is used for straight up cooking, used to pretty much show off in the kitchen that you know what the dealio is. You run this, you know what I'm talking about. This company reached out to me and said, Ryan, can you help us? Can you help us kind of highlight what all comes with this here carbon steel, I'm gonna call it a butcher's hatchet, butcher's blade for the old kitchen, barbecue, outdoor, whatever it is. When it comes to all your necessities where you need a premium, serious knife to do some serious cutting. I said, of course, I will do an overview of this. Who am I to say no, but no way whatsoever it will affect this review. As you can tell, this thing is pretty impressive just from a visual standpoint. The handle on this is, because I like to be detailed, 5 inches. The handle does come with a hanging hook, as you can see there. Ergonomic grip. You have a wood handle with stars embossed holding this thing together. The blade is right at 7.5 inches, and it has some built-in cutout star, moon, star, and then you have a built-in, I would say that is a can opener, if I do say so myself. Pretty cool all-in-one. Now, I was like, what is? I didn't even know there was such a thing as carbon steel. I had to look it up. So carbon steel is steel that has up to 2.1% of the weight is carbon. Well, I weighed this whole thing, and this here knife has weighs right at 13 ounces to the ounce. I confirmed it myself. This thing is quite sharp. I was actually just kind of playing around a little bit, and it is extremely sharp. So much so that I was a little worried. Let me just say I was a little worried. Let's just keep it like that. Yes, this is a banana. Will it chop through it like chop suey? Yes, of course it will. It is very, very sharp. When it comes to cutting pretty much anything from meat, vegetables, anything that would need to be cut in the old kitchen or the barbecue or whatever it is. I mean, this thing, again, we're just using a banana here, but I'm not even trying. And it just slices, I'm not even pushing hard, slices right through it. This is definitely not your average run-of-the-mill butcher's machete, we're gonna call it. No, it is definitely a little bit different. I like this look of it, a little bit of aggressive look. I guess if you're in the kitchen and you're using this, you run things, if you know what I'm talking about, of the old kitchen, barbecue, whatever it is. Very, very cool. Can't speak enough good things about it. That is just an unbiased opinion. This thing is legit. Now, this does come with a handy dandy leather sheath. So if you are wanting to put this on the old belt loop, you can, so if you're out there doing the deed, barbecuing, whatever it is, you want to have that at the ready, you can. And then it has a locking strap right here, so it locks right in. Very, very convenient, as you can see there. Hopefully this answers any questions you might have about this here knife, and we will talk to you soon.